Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the error the extended attributes are inconsistent in Windows. Now, you might come across this error message whenever you're trying to open any important application in your Windows. So there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to go ahead and perform a system file checker to run an SFC scan on the computer. To do this, you will have to open command prompt. So you can go to the search window, and in the search window, you may go ahead and type CMD. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. Just in case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, you will have to go ahead and type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So with this, your system will begin the scanning and you will have to wait until the SFC scan is complete. Once the verification is complete, you would see an option or a prompt where saying that there is a system repair pending which requires a reboot to complete. So you will have to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you may try to open the applications which you were trying to open, and that should fix the problem. Now, in case if it doesn't fix the problem, the second method is to disable the Windows user account control sound. To do this, you will have to open the run window by doing a right click on the start button and then click on run. And in the run window, you may go ahead and type mmsys.cpl. With this, you should open the sound properties window. Under this, you will have to go ahead and click on the sounds tab. Now here, you will have to go ahead and locate for Windows user account control. You will have to scroll down until you locate Windows user account control. And here under the sounds, make sure you choose that as a none. So basically what you're doing here is you're turning off the sound for Windows user account control. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on apply and then click on OK. Try to open the application and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good. You don't need to try the next step. Now the next method is to go ahead and change the group membership of your user account. To do this, you will have to open the run window. So in the run window by doing a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type netplwiz and then click on OK. Now here you will have to go ahead and choose what user account you're using here. In my case, I have logged in as a Rative Videos as a user. Check the group policies. Make sure it has been set to administrator. In case it has been set to only users, you will have to select that particular user account and then go to properties and then click on the group membership. Make sure you switch from standard user to administrator. Click on apply and then click on OK. Restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next method is to go ahead and uninstall the recently installed application. Just in case if you have installed any applications recently and post that if you are seeing this error message, identify the applications which you have installed recently. So to identify that, there are two different ways. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you have clicked on settings, you may go ahead and click on apps, and then on the right hand side you will have to locate for installed apps. Now here you can go ahead and identify which applications you have been installed recently by looking at these dates here. So check for the dates and go ahead and uninstall that respective applications by clicking on the three dot lines and then click on uninstall and follow the instruction. Once that is done, close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next method you could try to get this issue resolved is by repairing the system image using DISM tool. To do this, you will have to open the command prompt in the administrator mode. So you can, in the search window, you may go ahead and type CMD. You can do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. And if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you are on the command prompt, you will have to go ahead and copy and paste the command from my video description. So you can use Control V to paste the command and hit enter to execute the command. This will go ahead and deploy the image servicing and management tool. Once this command has been executed, you will get a prompt saying that the restore operation completed successfully. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all these steps should definitely resolve the problem. Just in case if you're facing any problem after trying all this step, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.